Hey, what's up, folks? Welcome back. So, look, I'm a little late on this giveaway. I owe you all, but I got you. I got you here. So, what we have here is a bunch of stuff that was donated to us to be given to you all for this giveaway. I'm going to make sure you all get this stuff. So what's going to happen is going to be 3 boxes. Each one of these boxes is going to contain a variety of these items to make sure you get some good stuff. Some of the things we only have 2 of, some of the things we have, multiples of. So we're gonna mix and match and make sure everything's good, so you get all the good stuff that goes. Oh my gosh, oh, this Palo Santo's getting me. That's good stuff for you. You get everything you need, and we'll go from there. So with that being said, let's get started. Let's get into these boxes and see what's going on. In the description below, I'm gonna have the instructions of how to enter the giveaway. I'm also gonna put the phone number that you need to text over here. And yeah, we'll just get this thing started. Make this video as quick as possible and make sure I look good. No ash, good to go. And bless all this stuff for you all. All right, let's make this quick. So, I'm gonna run it down. We have here from the candle link. All right, this is from the candle link. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different candles. So we're gonna make sure you all get these ones. I'm gonna try and put like 2 in each one with like 1 or something like that. But these things smell fantastic. The candle leak is out of Los Angeles, California. And this one's called So Fresh, So Clean. And I'm telling you right now, it smells like a fresh linen scent, and oh my gosh, I'm loving it. Oh, whew. The Palo Santo's still getting to me. But yeah, then we have Now and Later, which also, ooh, that smells good. That smells good. So we have a bunch of these, and they're gonna go into the boxes. Now the next thing that's gonna come up is from the Black Coffee Company here. Got 3 different variations of these premium flavored coffees. We have Hella Black, Neo Soul Nights, and The Homie. So we have these ones. Each one of the boxes is gonna get 1 of these so that you all can stay up all night, bumping and grinding, whatever you like to do. Next is gonna be this amazing smelling candle from the Candle Crush Company. It has like this, it's called Coconut Crush, and it smells fantastic. I want to keep it for myself, but I'm gonna be honest and let you all have it. That's fine. We got 2 shirts here from Redefine Apparel. You all have seen them before on the channel, on the page. Sometimes I rock the shirts. So we got 2 of these to give away, and I hope you all fall in love with this as much as I do. I love these shirts. I have a hoodie, got a shirt. I think Boss Mix stole one of my hoodies as well. Another cool thing that's coming out is this Queen Bee bar. Now this bar here is from the awesome Calypso of Brown Sugar Voodoo. And again, I kind of want to do it myself. It's a mild detox bar. Honey keeps it soft on your skin while the charcoal does its job. I love it. It's fantastic and it smells amazing. That's all I can say. Next thing we have here is going to be a Morning Refresher, Solar Return, and the Pillow Spray, Lunar Eclipse. These 2 things right here come from Cosmic Scents, and I'm liking what they look like. I'm not gonna, actually, I'm gonna open them and smell them. Smells good. Those smell good. Wow, this will definitely put you to sleep. Oh my goodness. That lavender in there, goodness gracious, accusations. So the next thing we have here are some face masks here that say Living Black from Core Unity 95. Boom, you all have one of each is going to go in the packages, so you guys will be good on that end. Next is going to be this set here from Curls Poppin'. Okay, so they gave this pack here that has 1 wide tooth detangling comb, 1 spray bottle, 1 satin hair tie, 4 large hair clips, 1 reusable shower cap, a satin holding bag. Then the Curls Poppin' set, which has the refresher spray, the co-wash, and the amplifying cream, along with a satin sleep set and a reusable shower cap. So you get all that with this package, and damn, that is fantastic. Let's see, is anything else I'm missing? I am missing a couple things. The next one is going to be right here from Valentina's Elixirs. This is a glow facial oil, and it also comes with this little cool, super cute little metal rod that you use for the reflexology of your face. She also gave a card as well, so you can go over it. You guys are gonna get that. Oh, one of you all is gonna get that. Let's see, what else? Oh, we have this here from the young lady Zanomi from Zanomi's Inner G. Have this amazing bracelet. This is a necklace. An amazing necklace here with a little chubby man on the bottom. I like it a lot. I'm super excited to see whoever gets this rocking it. And I know you're gonna look good in it. Way better than I ever would. So I gotta let that go as well. Let's see. We got Curls Poppin', we did Zanomi, we did Calypso, we did the Candle Link, we did Cold Unity. But we cannot forget the towels. So we have these two towels here. And there's a pink towel and a blue towel. It's a wearable hooded towel. And it's just gorgeous. I don't even know any other way to put it. It's a gorgeous towel. Like, that's the pink one. And then we also have the blue one here for the gents. And I just think it just looks dope. I love the artwork. It just, I don't know, it's just fantastic looking. So I'm super excited to see this. This is from Epic Everyday. And yeah, so that's what we had donated to us for you all. So that's what you all are gonna get in the packages. And again, it will be a variation of some of these just because, you know, you don't get everything. You get a little bit of something. But this is what we're gonna do. All right, this is what Netergold is providing. Netergold is providing 3 of our 4-ounce Modières. All right, this is a 24 karat gold rejuvenating hair oil, one of our best sellers. 3 of these ones. 3 bars of soap, so this is our large bar of soap by the pound. That's a brick right there, pound of soap. Also a soap dish. These are sold out online, but 1 soap dish per person. Our 8-ounce curl definer hair mask, so that your curls can be as popping as mine usually are when I'm not looking dusty like I am right now. Ash Fighter 3000, you know you need it. We got you, 8 ounce as well. And then to sweeten the deal, I'm throwing $20 cash money into each one of the boxes. These are not Ush bucks, these are not Usher currency, these are straight up Jacksons. So EV, Mini, everybody gets a Jackson. So everybody gets a Jackson. And yeah, that's it. That's everything we got here. This is all the stuff that was donated to us for this giveaway, and I'm really excited for you all to get your hands on it. So yeah, just do me a solid favor, read the description below, make sure you send the text message to the, to the number below. And yeah, that's it really. I'm really excited for you all to get it. I thank you all so much for subscribing to the channel. If you have any suggestions on cool stuff you want to see, leave it in the comments, let me know. I do my best to get back to these things, but I'm only human and I'm a pretty terrible one at that. So yeah, I think that's it. I don't want to take too much of your time, so I appreciate it. Again, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and please make sure you enter the giveaway and make sure you follow each one of these companies. I'm gonna put all their links, their links to their grams and Facebooks or whatever down below so that you all can follow them. And yeah, just thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you for being here. I don't know why you put up with me, but you do. And again, I appreciate it. So thank you. Thank you. What time is it? It is time for me to go. But again, I appreciate you, love you, and I catch you all on the flip side, okay? See ya.